Everybody, Mayor Steve Miller here again today, and today we are at AurGroup Credit Union here on Holden Boulevard across from the high school, and I am with Angela, and we stopped out here today, number one, to say hi. And Angela, how have things been going for you the last couple months?
They have been going surprisingly well. Obviously, most businesses are impacted by this, and we really tried to be very proactive in the beginning in reducing exposure to not only our employees but our visitors, such as yourselves. So our lobbies have been closed for quite some time, and we are making preparations to reopen our Fairfield office here June 1st, and then our other locations will follow after that. But surprisingly, it's been busy. I know a lot of businesses have really slowed down, but folks are still out buying cars, and it's a great time to refinance their mortgage. I think as folks are home more, they're thinking of all those home projects they've been putting off, and so home equity loans are picking up. So it has been busy, and we're finding ways to use technology so that folks don't necessarily have to come in, so they can buy a car without ever setting foot in the branch, which is nice.
So here at AurGroup, can you tell the people that are watching what you do or what you specialize in here?
Certainly. AurGroup Financial Credit Union is a financial services company, so much like a bank or any other credit union, savings accounts, checking accounts, mortgage loans, all of those great things. We are locally owned here as a credit union. We're not for profit. We're actually founded in 1938 in part by teachers here in Fairfield and Butler County. So the building we're in, moved our headquarters here in 1998 and built this building, actually purchased the land from the Fairfield City School District. So we have a great relationship with our schools. We operate a branch inside Fairfield High School with an ATM and a few other high schools in the area. Have a great relationship with Compass Elementary, who's right next door. We get to watch the kids play at recess, which is always nice. But we certainly miss those students not being around, and our involvement in the schools have missed having that time with them, whether it's the little kids and having them come in and open their savings account and they get a prize when they make a deposit to their account, or the high school students, helping them to get some financial education of how, once they do graduate high school, how to make some smart choices. So we offer all sorts of banking products, and especially in a crisis situation like we've all been experiencing, obviously food, shelter, healthcare, those are the number one important things, right? But also is the family economic impact to those things. So being a local financial institution, we kind of consider ourselves like financial first responders. As we get calls of folks that are losing their job or being furloughed, of helping them skip payments on their car loan, or helping them find ways to make their budget go a little bit further during this time. So although we're not as important as those healthcare workers, but there's certainly financial impacts that we're here.
You definitely fill a niche.
Absolutely. And so we're here, and we're happy to help folks through that too.
Great. Well, Angela, thank you for inviting us in.
Sure.
It's a pleasure to see you. And everybody, AurGroup Credit Union right here in Fairfield off Holden Boulevard, sit right across from the high school and Compass Elementary. Thanks again for watching, everyone.